Hi guys, what's up? Don't you think I look like someone? Yes, you are correct. I look like Harry Potter. I made these glasses with origami sheets, and look, I also have a Harry Potter wand. It's just a normal wooden stick, and I painted it, and look, I also have a scar. Friends, do you know I am also a very big fan of Harry Potter. Soon I will be also posting a Harry Potter video, so don't forget to watch that video. Now let's talk about today's drawing. Today we are gonna draw Tankman from FNF. One of my friends requested me to draw this Tankman FNF, so I will draw it. Now let's start the video.